Good afternoon to all of you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very less students are joined. Okay, today we will take the theory lecture, and then after that we will take the practical. Okay. So what is the topic? What is the today topic? Single phase off-wave controlled rectifier fed separately excited DC motor. Okay, this is the topic, no? Hello. This is the topic, no? Yesterday we have discussed up to this point. Okay. So here, what is the meaning of this statement? Single phase off-wave control rectifier fed separately excited DC motor. Means this is the single phase off-wave control rectifier. This is the single phase off-wave control rectifier with Freeling diode. Okay, fed separately excited DC motor. Okay, this is the separately excited DC motor. This is the field winding. This is the field winding. The field winding is connected to the one more rectifiers. Okay, this is a single phase full wave, sorry, single phase semi control. But here we are not going to do any controlling from the field side. Okay, so here we are not going to do the control the field side. Clear? So here, because we are going to the armature voltage control technique side, means we are going to control the armature voltage only. We are going to control the armature voltage. Clear? So single phase off-wave control rectifier is having one thyristor, single phase off-wave control rectifier, not off control. So there is a difference between the off-wave and off control. Okay, off-wave is having only one thyristor, but in the case off control, it is having two thyristors and two diodes. It is having two thyristors and two diodes. Please remember, this is the off control, this is the off wave. Okay. Next. So see here, input is the single phase AC supply. This is the input single phase AC supply. Okay. This is the positive half cycle, 0 to pi. We have taken time in radians per second, 0 to pi. Pi is nothing but 180 degrees. And next pi to 2 pi. Pi to 2 pi. Next again, this is the pi to 2 pi, the negative half cycle of the supply voltage. Negative half cycle of the supply voltage. Next again cycle is repeated from 2 pi to 3 pi. 2 pi to 3 pi, positive of half cycle, and again 3 pi to 4 pi, negative half cycle. Clear? This is the single phase AC supply. This is the single phase AC supply. So this here we are given the single phase AC supply. So from 0 to pi, 0 to pi, 0 to pi, supply voltage is positive. This one the negative terminal. So the current is flowing from this direction. Clear? Here, anode of this thyristor, here, anode of this thyristor is made positive. So the thyristor comes to the forward bias condition. The thyristor is in the forward bias condition, but it is not in forward conducting mode because the thyristor will be turned on only when the gate pulse is applied. The thyristor will be turned on only when the gate pulse is applied. Clear? So for example, if we are applying the gate pulse at this interval, clear? Like this. This is the alpha firing angle. Okay, this is the alpha firing angle. Maybe a 0 degrees. Okay, maybe 0 degrees, maybe 30 degrees. Okay, or 45 degrees, or 90 degrees, and so on, etc. Clear? This is the firing angle, maybe 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, and so on, etc. Okay. So, but the thyristor firing angle should not be greater than the 180 degrees. thyristor firing angle should not be greater than the 180 degrees. What will happening if the greater than the 180 degrees? If the firing angle is greater than the 180 degrees, what will happening? Can anybody tell? If the firing angle greater than the 180 degrees, what will happening? Anyone please? Anyone? Anyone? What will happening? Saurabh? Saurabh? Arshvardhan? Shantanu Londe? Shantanu? Kundan Singh? Aditya? Please tell anyone what will happening if the alpha is greater than the 180 degrees. If alpha greater than the 180 degrees, what will happening here? Sakshi? 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 Shivani?
Yes, sir.
My voice is clear, no? No one is giving the response.
Sir, it will be reverse bias.
Yes, it will become a reverse bias because the greater than the 180 degrees means here. After this point means supply voltage become a negative. Supply voltage become negative means this will become positive and this will become a negative. Means the thyristor is in for reverse bias condition. Okay, if the thyristor is reverse bias condition, it will not be turned on even though by giving the gate pulse. So when it is in reverse bias condition, no need to give the firing angle because there is no use. Okay, because already it is in forward bias condition. Only we have to give the firing angle. Only we have to apply the gate pulses when the thyristor is in forward bias condition. Clear? So that's why here in the half wave control rectifier, the firing angle should be vary 0 to 180 degrees. The firing angle vary should be 0 to 180 degrees. Okay. Next, for example, here we have given the firing angle. Here we have given the firing angle. Clear? So the thyristor is turned on. The thyristor is turned on. So the current is flowing through this circuit. The current is flowing through this circuit. Armature resistance, armature inductance. Clear? Through the motor. Like this. Is it right? Shivani? Shivani?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the thyristor is turned on, this is the path for flowing the current. Is it right? Positive T RA LA EA. EA means back EMF. Okay, armature EMF. Negative terminal. This is the path for flowing the current. Plus Vs T armature resistance armature inductance EA minus Vs. This is the path for flowing the current when the thyristor is turned on. when the thyristor is turned on. Clear? So when the current is flowing through this circuit, then what will happening? The voltage is exist across the load circuit. That is called as the V0. V0. Okay, this V0 is equal to terminal voltage. This V0 is equal to terminal voltage. Okay, V0 is equal to Vt. That is equal to, also we can write armature voltage Va. Also we can write armature voltage Va. Is it right? V0 is equal to Vt is equal to Va. So this voltage is present across the load circuit. So the waveform of the load voltage is like this. The waveform of the load voltage is like this. Clear? So the voltage is present from alpha to pi. The voltage is present from alpha to pi. Next, what about the pi to 2 pi? शिवानी, pi to 2 pi क्या हो जाएगा?
What, sir?
What will be the operation from pi to 2 pi? We have seen the operation from alpha to pi ना?
हाँ sir.
pi to 2 pi में क्या ऑपरेशन होता है? From pi to 2 pi, what will be the operation of this circuit? Pi to 2 pi सप्लाई वोल्टेज कौन सा है? From pi to 2 pi, supply voltage is negative ना?
Negative. Reverse bias.
Negative means this will become a negative, this will become a positive. Clear? But here the inductance is connected in series with the armature circuit, or the okay, there is a EMF is induced in the armature circuit. Okay, so due to the presence of inductance, some amount of energy will be stored in the inductance. Sorry, some amount of energy will be stored in the form of magnetic field. This energy will be released. This energy will be released. Clear? So this energy will be released through this circuit, through the freewheeling diode. Through the freewheeling diode. Clear? Means still the current is flowing through the load circuit, because due to the presence of inductance, still the current is flowing through the load circuit. But which current is flowing? That is the due to the whatever the energy stored in the inductance, that energy will be released. But here not the supply is not connected. Clear? So here the output current is flowing through the circuit, but output voltage present होना चाहिए ना? Current flow रहता output voltage present रहना चाहिए ना? फिर why we have drawn the zero like this? But why the output voltage becoming zero here? The current is flowing through the circuit, so there should be a voltage exist. There should be exist the voltage across the load circuit, but we have drawn the output voltage is zero. Why? Can anyone tell, please? Why the output voltage is zero?
It is reverse bias.
Okay. Don't see this circuit. अभी यही circuit देखो बस. Only this circuit. It is reverse bias. Okay, it is in off condition. That is another matter. Okay, still the current is flowing through the circuit during the negative off cycle of the supply voltage also. Clear? So but current is flowing means voltage भी present होना चाहिए circuit का across, but voltage become zero. Why? But voltage is zero. Why? Anyone? Swapnali? Swapnali?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Are you got my question?
नाही sir, कळाला question.
Okay, again I will repeat it to you. Please listen.
Potential difference is zero.
Huh? I will repeat you, please. Give the answer. It is a very interesting question. So from alpha, we have given the firing angle. So the current is flowing through this circuit. Is it right? Which circuit? Swapnali?
Yes, sir.
Swapnali, Shivani, please all of you listen. I want answer. During the positive of cycle, firing angle is applied, the thyristor is turned on. Okay, from this point. So when the thyristor is turned on, the current is flowing through this circuit. Is it clear? ये डायरेक्शन है करंट फ्लो होने के लिए. सही है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, when the current is flowing through the load circuit, the voltage is present. Clear? That is V0. Okay, that is V0. Or also we can write terminal voltage, because output voltage is nothing but output voltage of the rectifier is act as a input voltage for the motor. Is it clear? So also we can write armature terminal voltage. Also we can write armature terminal voltage. V0 is equal to, or Vt is equal to Va, whatever. Okay, so here the output voltage is present. So this waveform is drawn like this. Up to this point is clear. Up to this point is clear. Okay, after pi, what will happening? After pi, the supply voltage become a negative. The supply voltage become a negative. Is it right? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Supply voltage become negative means what will happening here? So here the terminals will be reverses. It will become a negative and it will become a positive. Is it right? Okay, then what will happening? This thyristor is become a reverse bias. The thyristor is become a reverse bias. So here the inductance is present in the load circuit. So due to the presence of inductance in the load circuit, some amount of energy will be stored in the inductance during this period. इस period में energy store रहता है inductance में. It will look like a battery, for example. Okay. When the supply is cut off, this energy will be released. Okay, when the supply is cut off, this energy will be released. Okay, this energy will be released through this circuit. This energy released through this circuit. Again, I will draw, please. कैसे रिलीज होता है? Inductance, motor terminals, freewheeling diode, like this. Okay, so now this is the current, the energy, whatever the energy stored in inductance, that energy will be released through this circuit. Clear? So still the current is flowing through the load circuit. Yes or no? Still the current is flowing through the load circuit. I0 is equal to R armature current. आउटपुट करंट फ्लो होता है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो फिर आउटपुट करंट फ्लो होता है तो वोल्टेज भी प्रेजेंट रहना चाहिए ना? वोल्टेज भी प्रेजेंट रहना चाहिए, बट आउटपुट वोल्टेज इज ड्रॉन जीरो हियर. व्हाई द आउटपुट वोल्टेज इज जीरो? दैट्स माय क्वेश्चन. स्वप्नाली, शिवानी, साक्षी.
Sir, potential difference between 2 points is constant रहता है, इसलिए होता है क्या?
Potential difference between
constant रहता है ना वो firing angle के.
but you are trying to give answer, but that is not exactly. What is your name? कौन बोला अभी?
शिवानी.
शिवानी क्या? कोई anyone from boys? Why the output voltage is zero during this period, but still the current is flowing? That's why I'm asking. If the current is not flowing, the output voltage is zero. There is no question. But the current is flowing through the circuit, but output voltage is zero. Why? I think all of you got the question. Shivani, question समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
करंट फ्लो हो रहा है लोड सर्किट के थ्रू, बट आउटपुट वोल्टेज जीरो क्यों ड्रा करते हैं अपन? मेरा क्वेश्चन यही था. स्वप्नाली
सर एनर्जी रिलीज हो रही है तो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस 0 ही दिखेगा।
शिवन, आप शिवन बोल रहे हैं ना?
हाँ सर।
That it is not exact right answer, but somewhat related answer. Exact चाहिए था. I will give the clue. For example, if this is a switch, just wait. This is a switch is there. If the switch is closed, this is the supply. Okay, supply the Japanese switch ka across, positive, negative. Okay, if the switch is closed, the current is flowing through this circuit. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
So, what will be the voltage across this switch? What will be the voltage across this switch?
0.
Voltage across the switch is 0. Exactly right answer. Clear? So here what we are saying, instead of this switch, I am connecting this diode. Instead of switch, I am connecting the diode. Sorry, just wait. Instead of the switch, I am connecting the diode. Clear? Diode connect किया है. So when the diode is turned on, current flow होता है क्या? When the diode is turned on, when the diode is turned on, current flow होता है किसके through?
Yes sir.
So when the current is flowing through this diode, means it is in turn on condition. What will be the voltage across the diode when it is in on condition? What will be the voltage across the diode when it is in on condition?
0.
0. Yes, exactly. So here the diode is turn on. The diode is turn on. Clear? So means it will act as a switch. Means this terminal and this terminal will be act as a short circuited. Clear? This terminal and this terminal will be act as a short circuited. So when the two terminals are short circuited, then what will happening? The voltage is becoming 0. The voltage is becoming 0. But short circuit हो तो current तो flow होता है ना. Voltage becoming 0. Clear? That is the reason. Okay. Whenever the energy released by the inductance, okay, through the freewheeling diode, the current is flowing through the load circuit. Okay, the current is flowing through the load circuit. The current is armature current or output current. During this period, current is flowing. During this period is also current flowing. But the voltage is becoming 0. The voltage becoming 0. Clear? That is the reason. I think all of you got the answer.
Yes
समझ
sir.
में आई क्या?
Yes
Okay,
sir.
ये कोई मेरा आंसर चाहिए था. यहाँ पे freewheeling diode connected है. तो ये freewheeling diode turn on होगा तो it will act as a switch. Means this terminal and this terminal will be short circuited. अगर दो terminal short circuited हो तो क्या हो जाएगा? Voltage that point, the potential difference that between that points is 0. Clear? So that's why already we have discussed this point in the power electronic. When the freewheeling diode is turned on, the voltage becomes 0. Voltage across the load is 0. Clear? So that's why voltage becomes 0. Okay, the output current still is flowing from alpha to pi as well as pi to 2 pi plus alpha. It is continuous operation. Please listen. That is continuous operation kab hoga? That is depending upon the value of the inductance. That is depends upon the value of the inductance. It is clear? Okay, this is the continuous operation. Next, again at 2 pi. Again 2 pi, the supply voltage become a positive. So again we are giving the firing angle. Okay, again the output voltage is present. Okay, so still the output current is always constant. Here we are assuming the output current is always constant because inductance is present. So this constant or current like this can also be flow like this, but that is depends upon the value of this inductance. Okay, if the large value of the inductance is used, so the current will become a constant. The current will become a constant. This is the armature current or output current, I0 or IA. Clear? Armature current or output current. So what will be the freewheeling diode during this period? What will be the freewheeling diode during this period? Sorry, current through the freewheeling diode. Current through the freewheeling diode from alpha 2 पे क्या होता है? Alpha 2 पे freewheeling diode के through current flow होता है क्या?
0.
0, because the current is flowing in this direction from alpha to pi. In which direction? Like this. The current is flowing like this. No current is flowing through the freewheeling diode when alpha to pi. Okay, and alpha to, sorry, this is the 2 pi plus alpha. This is the 2 pi plus alpha. 2 pi plus alpha to 3 pi, alpha to pi. There is no current is flowing through the freewheeling diode. So that's why we are writing the 0. But when the supply is cut off and when the energy released by the inductance, okay, that energy is flows through the freewheeling diode. That energy flows through the freewheeling diode. Okay, this energy is released by through the freewheeling diode. Means the current is flowing through the freewheeling diode. From which time to which time? From pi to pi plus alpha. Okay, from pi to 2 pi plus alpha. Okay, from pi to 2 pi plus alpha, the current is flowing through the freewheeling diode. So that's why the current is representing like this. And then it become a 0. And it become a 0 because here from again 2 pi plus alpha to 3 pi. So again the current is flowing through this circuit. Supply, thyristor, motor, and negative terminal of the supply voltage. Okay, this is the waveforms for the single phase of a control rectifier with motor load. This is a separately excited DC motor. Clear? So in which quadrant it will be operated? Can anyone tell? कौन सा quadrant में operate होता है? कौन सा quadrant में operate होता है? दीपाली है क्या? Shantanu, are you there? Mahesh? In which quadrant it will be operating? Anyone please from boys? Arbaz Sheikh, are you there? Arbaz Sheikh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In which quadrant it will be operating? From these waveforms, you can easily identify in which quadrant it will be operating. कौन सा quadrant में operate होता है? कौन सा quadrant में operate होता है अरबाज? Can you give the answer? You can try, no problem. If it is wrong, no problem. Arbaz Sheikh. Please give the answer, no problem. If it is wrong, no problem. Arbaz, are you there? Arbaz, just say yes, sir, no problem. Why you are VI plane, output voltage and output current or armature current. Or also we can write VA, IA. कौन सा quadrant में operate होता है? Please tell me.
First quadrant.
First quadrant. How?
Positive.
Because from 0 to alpha 0. Clear? From alpha to pi positive. Then alpha to 2 pi plus alpha 0. Next 2 pi plus alpha to 3 pi positive. Means the output voltage will be where is 0 or positive. The output voltage is 0 or positive. It will not goes to negative. Clear? So but the output current is always positive. Output current is always positive and output voltage is also positive or 0, but it will not goes to negative. Means always the single phase of a control rectifier with motor load is will be operated in the first quadrant. Is it right? It will be operated in the first quadrants. That's why we can represent like this: terminal voltage and armature current. Nobody is giving the answer, please remember. Only Shivan is giving the answer. Okay, this circuit will be operated in the first quadrant. Okay, next. Let's see what will be the output voltage equation. What will be the output voltage equation? Can anyone tell, please? Output voltage equation: V0 is equal to V0 is equal to what is the, or VA is equal to armature voltage, or output voltage is equal to, or terminal voltage is equal to, we can write 1 by 2 pi. Why we have written 1 by 2 pi? Why we have written 1 by 2 pi? V0 is equal to VA is equal to VT is equal to 1 by 2 pi. 1 by 2 pi. So output voltage कहाँ से कहाँ तक present है?
Alpha to pi.
Alpha to pi. Clear? Alpha to pi. So output voltage is present from alpha to pi. That's why we have taken the limits from alpha to pi. So we are integrating the supply voltage Vs into d omega t. We are integrating supply voltage with respect to omega t. With respect to omega t, because we have taken the omega t on x-axis, time in radians per second. Is it right? Next. So here Vs is nothing but, we know the formula. Vs is equal to Vm sin omega t. Vs is equal to Vm sin omega t. That is equal to 1 by 2 pi. 1 by 2 pi. What we can write? Alpha to pi. Vs की जगह क्या लिख सकते हैं? What we can write? Vm sin omega t d omega t. Is it right? So because we are going to solve the numericals on this, that's why I'm deriving the equation again. Okay, already we have seen these equations. Okay, numerical based day. That's why we are going to discuss this one. So Vm is the constant. Vm by 2 pi. Vm by 2 pi. Integral sin omega t.
Cos omega minus
Okay,
cos.
integral sin theta minus cos theta, na? Minus cos theta, na? Integral sin omega t minus cos omega t. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, limits क्या है इधर? Limits
Pi to alpha to pi.
okay, pi comma alpha. So then what we can write here? This equation can be write Vm by 2 pi. Vm by 2 pi. So minus as it is, cos upper limit minus cos lower limit. Cos pi minus
Alpha.
cos alpha. Cos upper limit minus cos lower limit. So what is this? What is this? Vm by 2 pi. Cos pi is equal to minus 1, na? Cos 90 plus 90. Cos 90 plus 90 minus sin 90. Minus sin 90 is equal to minus 1. Minus into minus plus means 1. Minus into minus plus 1 plus cos alpha. It is right? Cos pi is equal to minus 1. सही है क्या?
हाँ सर बरोबर है.
हाँ. So V0 is equal to, this is the equation. V0 is equal to, sorry, just wait. V0 is equal to रफ क्यों नहीं हो रहा? रफ क्यों नहीं होता? V0 is equal to or VA is equal to Vm by 2 pi 1 plus cos alpha. This is the equation. Clear? So, but here from this circuit, why it is not rough? Okay, so from this equation, from this diagram, so what we can say here, VA is equal to, equation can we write VA or VA is equal to V0 or VA is equal to IARA voltage across this resistance plus voltage across the inductance, how we can write LA into DIA upon by DT plus voltage across the armature circuit, EA. Can we write like this? VA is equal to IARA plus LA into DI by DT plus EA. Means applied voltage is equal to voltage across this circuit plus voltage across this circuit plus voltage is present across this motor terminal. लिख सकते हैं क्या अपन? लिख
Yes,
सकते हैं
sir.
क्या?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is the important equation. Please remember VA is equal to IARA plus LA into DI by DT plus EA. Clear? Next. So this is the equation. This is not. Okay. So VA is equal to IARA plus LA into DI by DT plus EB or EA also we can write. Back EMF or armature EMF, whatever. Clear? So V0 is equal to 0. V0 is equal to 0 is equal to IARA plus LA into DI by DT plus EB. VA is equal to 0 कब होता है? आर्मेचर वोल्टेज और आउटपुट वोल्टेज पाई टू 2 पाई प्लस अल्फा ना, पाई टू 2 पाई प्लस अल्फा ना, 0 है ना, 0 है ना. So here what we can write, VA is equal to 0 is equal to, so VA की जगह अपन 0 substitute किया, 0 is equal to IARA plus LA into DI by DT plus EB. When pi less than omega t less than 2 pi plus alpha, इसके बीच में क्या है, पाई 2 पाई प्लस अल्फा के बीच में आउटपुट वोल्टेज 0, आउटपुट वोल्टेज इज 0. क्लियर? ओके. नेक्स्ट, स्पीड इक्वेशन कैसे लिख सकते हैं अपन? स्पीड इक्वेशन कैसे लिख सकते हैं? सो वी नो द फॉर्मूला, VA is equal to VA minus IARA. Clear? VA minus IARA. So what is the formula? KF and EB is equal to, sorry, previous क्या डिस्कशन किया था? बेसिक इक्वेशन
minus IRA.
Sorry, basic equation N is equal to EB
Upon 5.
upon by K phi or phi. Clear? यही है ना? EB N proportional to EB by phi ना, EB by phi. N is equal to EB by K phi. That is equal to EB is nothing but V minus
IRA.
IA RA by K phi. Here V is nothing but here armature voltage, ये वाला. Clear? Supply voltage is nothing but armature voltage, VA minus IA RA upon by K phi. So that is equal to what we can write. VA की जगह क्या लिख सकते हैं अपन? VA की जगह we had derived the equation.
Yes, sir.
VM by 2 pi क्या आया था इक्वेशन वो? VM by 2 pi 1 plus
cos alpha.
1 plus cos alpha. ये इक्वेशन लिख सकते हैं ना VA की जगह, मीन्स VM by 2 pi into 1 plus cos alpha into 1 plus cos alpha, clear, minus IA RA divided by KF है ना, or K phi. Okay, is it right? So this is the equation. N is equal to VM by 2 pi into 1 plus cos alpha minus IR upon by K phi. So here, if we know the supply voltage, VS is VS. Okay, for example, 230 volts. So we can easily find out the VM. VM is nothing but what is the formula? Maximum value of the supply voltage. That is the root 2 into VS, na? This is the basic equation. VM is equal to root 2 into VS, means root 2 into 230. So root 2 into 230 upon by 2 pi into 1 plus, if the firing angle is equal to alpha is equal to, for example, 30 degrees. Okay, for example, okay, alpha is equal to 30 degrees. So root 2 into VS upon by 2 pi into 1 plus cos 30 minus IA RA. If you know the armature current, if you know the armature resistance, okay, and then if you know the values of K and of phi, then we can easily find out the speed. Is it right? Find out कर सकते हैं ना अपन?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so means these are the equations will be useful for solving the numericals. I will solve the numericals 1 or 3 or 4. Okay, after completion of this theoretical concept. Clear? So and then we will go for the practical, because 3-phase control rectifier for motor load, but I have not completed the topic. That's why I have taken the theory lecture today. Theory नहीं हुआ ना वो practical करने के लिए, इसलिए मैंने theory लिया आज. Clear? Next Saturday or Monday we will do the practical, that one.